Welcome to the Level 2 Interactive Elements walkthrough. In this session, we will explore all the interactive elements of this level. Let's begin with the cover page. On this slide, you'll notice a right arrow button. Clicking this button will take you to the next page. Next is the warm-up slide. On this slide, teacher will ask student on how he or she feels. You can click the hand button to reveal which parts of the page have interactivity. Once revealed, you can click and drag items such as this, and this to interact with them. Now let's move to the contents page. Here, you'll see an overview of all the sections in this lesson. Clicking on any section, such as the song, will take you directly to it.
Subscribe!
Additionally, the home button on this slide allows you to return to the contents page at any time. On the probe slide, you'll find a tooltip button. Clicking it provides guidance on how to navigate the page. In this activity, the teacher will ask the student what they see in the picture. This helps gauge how much the student knows about the topic. Next is the vocabulary slide. Start by clicking the tooltip button for guidance. The tooltip will instruct you to click the question mark icons to reveal a word and its sample sentence. If needed, use the hand button to highlight the interactive elements. Let's try this for the first word, and then repeat for the remaining vocabulary words. For vocabulary practice, begin by checking the tooltip for instructions. Here, students will drag words to complete sentences. Use the hand button to identify which words are draggable. Additionally, clicking on photos will enlarge them for better visibility. Once everything is clear, let's complete the activity for the following examples. On the sight words slide, start by clicking the tooltip button for instructions, followed by the hand button to show interactive elements. You'll then click each puppet to display the sight words. In sight words practice, begin with the tooltip for guidance. The activity involves the teacher and student taking turns reading the sight words. Use the hand button to reveal the interactive elements and click the clock to display the timer and words. Moving on to sentence patterns. Click the tooltip button to view the instructions. Here, the teacher will introduce sentence patterns to the student. For sentence patterns practice, start by clicking the tooltip for guidance. In this activity, the student will select the correct answer to complete a sentence. Use the hand button to highlight interactive elements, and then click the correct answer word to proceed. On the Let's Talk slide, use the tooltip button to access instructions. The teacher will ask the student a question, and the student will respond. Next is the dialogue slide. Begin by clicking the tooltip to view directions. The tooltip explains that the teacher and student will take turns reading the dialogue. Use the drumstick icon to reveal the dialogue and the hand button to locate the interactive elements. Then, click on them one by one. On the Say More slide, start by checking the tooltip. The teacher will ask the student a question and the student will answer. For the Grammar slide, click the tooltip button for directions. Use the hand button to highlight the interactive elements and then click on each one. Once completed, click the X icon to proceed. Repeat this process for the following slide. In grammar practice, the tooltip instructs the student to underline nouns. Use the pen icon to underline the correct answers. If this feature isn't available to student, the teacher can assist. Proceeding to phonics. Start by clicking the tooltip. Here the teacher will introduce the long O sound. Use the hand button to identify the interactive icons and click them to engage with the lesson. For phonics practice, the tooltip explains that students will drag words to the correct picture. Use the hand button to highlight draggable words, and then complete the activity by dragging the items into place. On the tongue twister slide, click the tooltip to view instructions. In this activity, the student will read the tongue twister at different speeds. Next is spelling. Click the button to expand the spelling box. In this activity, click each letter to spell the word associated with the photo. When finished, click the button again to return to the lesson. In the Express Yourself activity, the tooltip explains that the teacher will ask the student a question, and the student will respond. Lastly, we arrive at the game section. Here you'll select a puppet to begin. The goal of the game is to help Fixie decide what to eat by following the on-screen instructions. This concludes the Level 2 interactive walkthrough. Great job exploring all the features of this lesson.